Nashville. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 76 at Greensboro, 79 at Raleigh-Durham, and 85 at Wilmington. At Fayetteville, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 81. In South Carolina, at Greenville-Spartanburg, it was sunny, with a temperature of 77. At Columbia, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 84. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Charlotte Airport, it was 79 degrees and mostly sunny. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Piedmont of the Carolinas, including Charlotte and vicinity. Today, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. The signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting from Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Bryan, Stanley, and NOAA Radio. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Radio All Hazards Torn Alert test. The Charlotte, North Carolina Climate Center for yesterday, May 28, 2023. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Piedmont of the Carolinas, including Charlotte and vicinity.